My name's Mike White. I'm going to show you how to do a vehicle inspection today. You got your inspection sheet with all your line items on it. We got exterior lights, horn, interior, under hood, we got fluid, we got under vehicle, tires, brakes. So we're going to be going through that with you today. First thing on here is the horn. It works. We're going to test the headlights. Low beams work. Rights. Left blinker. Blinkers on. There we go. We have to turn the vehicle on. Right?
No, he's practicing.
Now let's check the back. So we're going to have the left blinker on. And I turn the headlights on as well so we can check the tail lights. You gotta be careful because a lot of these have multiple lights, so one might work and you might miss one. But tail lights and the left blinker are working now. Let's do the right blinker. That's working. Alright, now I got the hazards on. Looks like they're working back here. Let's go to the front. There you go. Hazards are working good. Check the brake lights. Alright, the brake lights are working. What's the only reason I know that is because the cameraman here told me, but usually you do that with a friend or something. Alright, now let's check the windshield wipers and the washers. Alright. Now we're going to check the windshield wiper blades and windshield washer. Alright, on that we're looking for streaks. Left a little bit, not too bad. So we put that in the yellow. Everything else up into this point's been green. They were good. Also going to inspect the windshield here for cracks, little chips. A lot of times you're on the highway, a rock will kick up, chip your windshield. Like there's a piece of tape on it. Look from the underside to see if that's. I don't know why that tape's there. We'll leave it there, but the windshield's good. Normally, of course, you'd want to remove that. Alright. Next item on the list is the fuel tank gas cap. The gasket. Open the fuel door.
Yeah.
Move this. Looking at the seal right here, it's good and soft. If it's hard and feels like it's about to break or it's cracked, you're gonna want to replace that. You're gonna fasten this. Make sure that clicks. Sometimes it's just one click. It'll say it on the cap a lot of time or in your owner's manual. Sometimes it's just one click though, or sometimes it's three. So you're supposed to stop at. See what's next on here. Check the dome light, amp light, and dimmer combination meter. We're gonna check all the dome lights. See if it's got a door setting, which of course most cars nowadays do. Close that door there. Alright, make sure it goes off when you close the door and open when you open it. Or I'm sorry, on when you open it. Alright. See what else. Have an air filter. A lot of times these are behind the glove box compartment. Not always. Check your owner's manual or online. For this one, it is behind the glove box. This one, you just squeeze the tab, and it falls down. And this one I found is actually has a hole. That's where the cabin air filter is supposed to be, and the cap. Oh, it looks like the cap's right here. Yeah, but no cabin air filter. Going again. So next is the parking brake operation. Let's test that. Alright, so we're going to test the parking brake. First, press it. First, you got a couple different styles of parking brake. This one you push down. Should feel firm right about the middle. If not, you need to adjust it. So we're going to push that one down until it's firm. And start it up. Alright, we're going to put it in gear. Just kind of let off the brake a little bit. This one's actually not holding, so it needs some work. We'll put that down. Parking brake operation failed. Alright, let's check the engine air filter now. Come around here. First of all, the problem is it's not, may just not be in right. Then take the bolt. Oh, it's not fastened down to the bottom at all. This looks like it's holding on by this one bolt, which is finger tight. There's a lot of problems with this one. So that one's pretty dirty. It started off white, so it's not horrible, but I would replace it. We're going to put it in the yellow. Right there. Alright. Then we're going to write down there that the box isn't attached like it should be, the hose isn't tight. I'm going to write all that so we can get it fixed. Alright, next we're going to test the battery. Alright, we got our battery tester here so we can check our battery. Color coded, negative, positive. So not all terminals are color coded, but we got a little plus sign and negative sign. Make that there. Make that there. On this tester right here, it is pretty simple. You just follow the instructions on the screen. Got 11.93 volts. It's a little low, but we'll see what it says. We'll press enter. The battery is in the vehicle, installed. It is this hot post battery. It's in the vehicle. Oh, it's hot post. Automotive battery. It's a regular flooded battery. Cold cranking amps are right here. Cold cranking amps, 650. So we're just going to scroll down. So it reads 650. Press enter. And it's testing. Alright. Alright, it says good recharge, so we're going to put it on the charger and be good to go. And this tester has a print feature on it, so we're going to print it out. And we'll put that on the inspection sheet. So we checked our battery, it says good recharge. So we're going to mark it green. Got a little no recharge.
It's done as a group.
Battery state of hell. Let's check out the cables. Which in pretty good condition. Don't see any cracks, any cuts in the insulation to the wire. They're on good and tight. Battery needs to be tied down.
You check the cooling system, hoses, and rod belt and the radiator. Hose, make sure it's not spongy, make sure it's firm. Not to squeeze it, it's firm, it's not spongy. Upper radiator hose. This is the lower radiator hose. Coolant level. Check the reservoir. Two marks on it, hot and cold. It's low. Coolant is definitely low. Check all the hoses. Rod belt and cracks. That's right. Check for deflection of the dry belt, make sure it's not cracked, splitting apart, it's not dry rot or splintered or oil soaked. Belt looks good. Make sure there's no leaks from the radiator. The mounting of the radiator, make sure it's mounted, firmly mounted. While we're here, I'll check the fans. It's low. Plastic container. The container looks to be sturdy, not deteriorated, not cracked, nothing leaking from it. Power steering. Reservoir right here. Check the fluid. 2 levels when it's hot and cold. This one's good. The vehicle's been running a little while, so it's good. Right below the hotline. Power steering hoses. Check the brake fluid reservoir. Level's good. No leaks. Ready? Alright. Check air conditioning condenser, lines, leaks, securely mounted. Looks good.
I licked it.
Just a little bit below the max. I would top it off and mark that on the sheet. we're gonna top off the brake fluid, and we're gonna top off the windshield wiper and the coolant.
Car idling, you want to shift through all the gears, down and back up. Started out real well. So now you want to check the transmission fluid with the car on. You want to wipe it off, because this is an inaccurate reading, and you want to put the dipstick back in. And then take it back out. Then look at it. And it's a bit hot, which is okay. It's a bit dirty, so we might want to check it. Empty it and put in new transmission fluid. That's it. Or you check the under. You want to grease the wheel. You do this a certain way. And you want it right on the pinch weld.
Right on the pinch weld.
Right there. That little skinny metal piece. Also in the back, make sure it's lined up. And now since we're all good, where it comes in contact. Now that it's good, tires are off the ground. The vehicle is secure. Clear. When you want to lower the vehicle, you want it all the way up. You just press this button. And now the vehicle is securely off. Drive shaft and U-joints. And the propeller here. Right up. I'll get a flash for it. So when you check the steering, you want to check the boot to see if there's grease. And this one's good. But this top one is busted. Has grease sipping out the bottom, so you will want to get that replaced. And then you want to check the other side. That one's
Actually, going to check the emission system. All the hoses and lines coming off the fuel tank. Make sure all the lines are secure, no leaks, check the leaks. All the hoses coming off.
okay. So when you want to check the tire pressure, it's inside the door jamb. Located here, and the PSI is 30. Then you want to check all the tire. This tire is no good. It's 30 seconds, which
So, got to the brake inspection part of these. Inspecting the brake pads part of the vehicle inspection. Got it. Go ahead. Ooh, wow. I think they actually need some pads.
I feel better.
This thing's got numbers on it.
Have a good weekend.
Yes, you too. If I don't see you, have a good Christmas.
You as well. You guys off next week?
Most of us are. I'm working. I'll be here.
Meters.
See you later.
See ya.
And so let's check the front and the back.
Oh, we did that when she first started. We gave her a hard time.